Clients often email an image and ask, "Is my image enough resolution?" Whether the resolution is enough depends on the size the image is used. The answer comes from the pixel dimensions and knowing the specifications of the reproduction method that will be used. For my example, I'll assume the client is asking if enough resolution for print. For some time, 300 pixels per inch has been the spec for print. This comes from the old rule, double the line screen. We could debate if that still applies today, but I'll leave that for another discussion. For this example, I'll use 300 pixels per inch. Adjust as needed for other output requirements. To begin, we need to know the image's pixel dimensions. This doesn't require expensive software. Mac OS or Windows can provide the answer. On a Mac, in the Finder, select the image and get info. There's a few ways to do this. One is the File menu, Get Info. You can see here a keyboard shortcut as well, Command-I. Or select the image and Control-click. For a 2-button mouse, right-click does the same thing. You get a flyout menu. Select Get Info, and you'll get a window with lots of details. There's the one we're after, Dimensions. Now we know the image is 3,900 pixels wide by 3,000 pixels tall. Getting the info on Windows is similar. In File Explorer, select the image and right-click. Like Mac, you get a flyout menu. Select Properties. Go to the Details tab. And there it is, Dimensions. Again, 3,900 by 3,000. Now that we know the pixel dimensions, it's a simple matter of a little math. For print, we need 300 pixels per inch. So take each pixel dimension and divide it by 300. That's the size in inches at 300 pixels per inch. The image is 13 inches wide by 10 inches tall. Is that big enough? That's for you to decide. In InDesign, you can also find the answer. This works the same on Mac OS or Windows. Let's say your layout is 13 by 10, and the image is placed to fill the page. Select the image and open the Links panel. If the additional info isn't visible, click the triangle to open it. Here we have actual PPI and effective PPI, which is the resolution considering the degree to which an image is scaled. For images placed at 100%, both values are the same. But say we want this image to bleed. I'll scale it up. Now you can see effective PPI has come down to 293 pixels per inch. And that answers the question, is my image enough resolution? If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.